In this video, we explore the top 5 essential practices to master data validation using great expectations. You'll gain actionable insights to enhance your data workflows with skills critical for maintaining data integrity and trustworthiness. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that data errors cost businesses over $3 trillion annually? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best practices for using great expectations in data validation. This powerful tool can transform your data workflows, ensuring integrity and reliability. Whether you're a data scientist, engineer, or analyst, mastering these practices will be a game changer. Stick around to discover how to set clear expectations, choose the right strategies, and more.
The foundation of effective data validation lies in clear expectations. Imagine building a house without a blueprint; it's chaotic and bound to fail. Similarly, without predefined data quality standards, your validation process will lack direction. Start by aligning your expectations with business objectives. This means understanding what quality data looks like for your organization and setting benchmarks accordingly. Clear expectations reduce ambiguity, making it easier to detect and address data anomalies. Regularly monitor your data for consistency and accuracy, and ensure all stakeholders are on the same page. Communication is key to maintaining alignment and trust in your data processes.
Selecting the right validation strategy is crucial for effective data management. Begin by identifying the types of data you handle and their respective sources. This understanding enables you to tailor your validation strategies, ensuring they are fit for purpose. Great Expectations offers a range of built-in features that can be leveraged for this task, providing flexibility and precision. However, it's important to find a balance between accuracy and performance to avoid overburdening your systems. Regularly review and adjust your strategies to adapt to changing data landscapes and ensure optimal validation results. In the rapidly evolving world of data, staying static is not an option. Regular updates and reviews of your expectations are essential to maintaining optimal data quality. As data landscapes change, so should your validation benchmarks. Conduct periodic reviews to ensure your expectations remain relevant and effective. Engage with your data users for feedback, as they are on the front line of data interaction. Automation can be a powerful ally in this process, facilitating seamless updates and minimizing manual intervention. Finally, always ensure your expectations align with the latest industry standards to uphold data integrity. The strength of Great Expectations lies not just in its features but in its vibrant community. By tapping into community resources, you gain access to a wealth of collective knowledge and expertise. Engage in forums and discussions to gain peer insights and practical tips. This community is an excellent platform for staying updated with the latest features and best practices. Contributing your experiences can also enrich the community, fostering a collaborative environment. Additionally, explore community-driven tools and plugins that can enhance your data validation processes, making your workflow more efficient and effective. Incorporating data validation into your C/CD pipelines ensures continuous and automated checks throughout your development workflow. By embedding expectations into these pipelines, you can detect issues early, preventing them from escalating into larger problems. This integration enhances code reliability, as consistent checks ensure only quality data enters your production environment. Automation plays a crucial role here, streamlining the validation process and allowing for seamless deployment. By adopting this approach, you not only maintain data integrity but also improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of your development cycle. Comprehensive data documentation is pivotal for effective validation. By clearly documenting your data validation processes, you facilitate training and onboarding for new team members, ensuring everyone is aligned with the established standards. Good documentation improves communication among teams, fostering collaboration and understanding. It also ensures consistency in validation practices, as everyone follows the same guidelines. Furthermore, well-documented processes make troubleshooting and updates more manageable, as you have a clear reference point for identifying and addressing issues. Invest in quality documentation to enhance your data validation workflows and overall data management.
In the dynamic field of data management, schemas are constantly evolving. Adapting to these changes is essential for maintaining data integrity. Great Expectations provides tools to create flexible validation schemas that can accommodate shifts in data structures. Regular monitoring of schema evolution helps you stay ahead of changes, ensuring your validation processes remain relevant. Where possible, automate schema updates to minimize manual intervention and reduce the risk of errors. Additionally, ensure your validation practices maintain compatibility with existing legacy systems, allowing for a smooth transition as your data landscape evolves.
To illustrate the power of these best practices, Let's dive into some real-world case studies. These examples showcase how organizations across various industries have successfully implemented data validation strategies using great expectations. Learn about the challenges they faced, the solutions they devised, and the tangible impact of their efforts. By understanding these scenarios, you can gain valuable insights and apply similar techniques to your own projects. These case studies highlight the transformative potential of effective data validation, demonstrating the importance of adopting these best practices in your workflow.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 best practices in Great Expectations data validation. By incorporating clear expectations, choosing the right strategies, and leveraging community resources, you can significantly enhance your data workflows. Remember, maintaining data integrity and trust is paramount in today's data-driven world. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below with your experiences or any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on mastering data management. Until next time, keep striving for data excellence.